Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Airpods model and that your iPhone is paired. This matters because name handling lives in your device. Once done, charge the case above 10% and place it near your phone so connections stay active. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and keep the Bluetooth screen visible. This prevents the phone from auto-disconnecting while you edit. You'll need the case open and the Airpods in because the phone queries the active accessory to allow a name change. You tap the info icon next to the Airpods entry in Bluetooth to access the name field. This is the control point for what displays on other devices. Delete the current name or type a neutral label like Airpods if you want to remove personal identification. Once you save, the phone pushes that update to the Airpods profile. Make sure you confirm and then disconnect and reconnect if the new name does not appear immediately, because some devices cache the previous name. You now verify the change by checking connected devices like a Mac or iPad. This ensures the new label propagated across your ecosystem. If the old name remains, reset the Airpods by holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and then repair. This clears profiles and cached names. If problems continue, reboot the phone and repeat the rename. Restarting often forces devices to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.